Water quality is really important for Bruce Power, both for operations, but mainly because we're part of the community. We live in Kincardine, Southampton, Port Elgin, and those communities are really dependent on the beach. We use them for canoeing and kayaking and fishing. The water supply plants for both towns come from the lake itself, as well as the water supply that we make at the station for our employees. So for us, that means continued ongoing environmental protection. We're heavily regulated. We have lots of regulations on our emission levels, so anything that's going into the air or water has definite limits. There are kept to minimum levels that are safe. We do a lot of work with external groups, the Great Lakes Fish Commission and the International Association of Great Lakes Research. We're part of some of these bigger organizations, so we understand what's happening in the lake, we understand what's going on with the dynamics of the ecosystem, and we can have a sense of what a healthy lake looks like. For some of that work, we're looking at priority watersheds and focusing on some of the smaller watersheds. So Bruce Power is part of our Environmental and Sustainability Fund. We give funding to some of those projects to help keep those watersheds clean. Last year, removing the Truex Dam, which was a big project in order to help with fish movement in the river. One of the big projects we're doing here in the Bay is the Phragmites removal, and what that does is help keep the ecosystem functioning as it naturally should. So just tying together those pieces in order to look at the watershed as a whole and protect water quality in the lake. For Bruce Power, it's really important that we have that nice, clean, cold water. So we were looking at both restoration and conservation and marrying those together for a long-term plan for a healthy system.